Thinking about getting a Brazilian wax but scared of the pain or irritation? Or maybe you've tried it before but didn't get that silky smooth, irritation-free result? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm giving you the ultimate Brazilian wax guide, covering prep, step-by-step waxing, inner thigh and vaginal area tips, and the best aftercare routine to avoid bumps, ingrown hairs, and irritation. So if you're ready for the smoothest skin of your life, hit that like, subscribe, and let's get into it. First up, let's clear up a common question. What's the difference between a bikini wax and a Brazilian wax? A bikini wax removes hair only along the bikini line. In contrast, a Brazilian wax removes all hair from the pubic area, inner thighs, labia, and even the backside, leaving you completely smooth. So if you want a completely hair-free, smooth look, Brazilian is the way to go. Proper prep is everything for a smooth, less painful wax. Here's what you need to do before your appointment. Exfoliate 48 hours before using a gentle scrub to remove dead skin. Your hair should be at least 1/4 inch long, about the size of a grain of rice. Avoid caffeine and alcohol as they increase sensitivity during waxing. Take a pain reliever like ibuprofen 30 minutes before if you're worried about discomfort, and wear loose clothing to minimize irritation post-wax. Also avoid shaving at least 2-3 weeks before your wax. Shaving makes the hair coarser, which means more pain when waxing. Now let's break down exactly what happens during a Brazilian wax so you know what to expect. The esthetician will start by cleansing the skin and may apply a light powder to absorb moisture. Then, they apply warm wax in sections, starting with the pubic area, then the labia and inner thighs, and finally, the butt strip. The wax is removed in quick firm pulls to minimize pain. After, they'll apply a soothing gel or oil to calm the skin and prevent irritation. The first time is the most painful, but the good news? It gets easier every time as the hair grows back thinner. Your wax is done. Now let's keep your skin smooth, bump-free, and irritation-free. In the first 24 hours, avoid hot showers, saunas, or workouts because heat can cause irritation. Avoid tight clothes as friction can cause ingrown hairs. And hands off, no touching, picking, or scratching. To prevent ingrown hairs, exfoliate 2-3 times a week using a gentle scrub or exfoliating gloves. Apply witch hazel or aloe vera to calm redness and prevent bumps, and use an ingrown hair serum with salicylic acid. Now, some FAQs and expert tips. Does a Brazilian wax make you more sensitive? Yes. Right after waxing, your skin is extra sensitive, but after 24 hours, you'll feel super smooth. How often should you get a Brazilian wax? Every 4-6 weeks for best results. Can you get a wax on your period? Yes! Just wear a tampon or menstrual cup. But be warned, it may hurt more due to hormonal sensitivity. Now that you know everything about Brazilian waxing, are you ready to try it? Drop a comment below. Have you had a Brazilian wax before? What was your experience like? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips every week.